What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's raining today, but it still doesn't matter. I'm still getting that money. You know what I mean? I'm that boy. I don't mess around. I get out there, rain, sleet, snow, or shine. But I want to tell y'all another option for modding your Wagtail. Now, there's a guy. His name is the Wagman, and he's got a lot of good ideas. Actually, better than me. How I know is because people that used to visit my channel no longer come, and they visit his channel. You know, I guess because they like what he has to say and like what he's done. And so do I, as well as everyone else. But he uploaded a video. If y'all want to go check it out, I'll see if I can find a link and put it in the description. Let me just show y'all what I'm referring to. Now, this nut right here, I don't look at it as an issue because the way I clean is unlike any other window cleaner that may use this tool. My style is impeccable. It's unmatched. I have a style of my own. I could clean windows all kinds of crazy ways, unconventional ways, and still get the job done. This tool will take you there. Because of my style, this isn't an issue, but when you close off, because this pivot is on the top, unlike some of his earlier versions, this kind of power pivot was underneath. All right, so this one happens to be on top, which is good for deep frames. But the problem people have is when you're closing out, this nut will hit the glass. So there's another way around that. If you didn't want to change the nut and look for the right nut and all that stuff, and if you're not a mod type person, you can do another mod that's virtually easy. And actually it works into your benefit with deep ledges and all that. Is change the angle on this Wagtail handle. Now, this is the only handle I know, I could be wrong, but this is the only handle I know that I can actually heat up and manipulate the angle so that I can make it a 0 degree. Now, I don't suggest you making this tool a 0 degree because you want to have some curve, especially when you're doing high windows. You want to have that curve. But that's nothing that a Wagtail angle adapter can't pick up the slack and comprehend from that. But if you didn't have a Wagtail angle adapter, and if you make this handle a 0 degree, you're pretty much stuck doing side pulls, closing out on the side all the time with a tool like that. All right. So what you want to do is you want to heat the angle up, maybe about, and then put it down maybe about 10 degrees. 10 or 15 degrees, however you like it. If you heat that up and bend that to where it's about a 15 degree, you'll see a little curve there when you heat this up around the neck. What? Sorry about that. My worker, he's listening to one of my volume 8 hour-and-a-half long mixes. See, he said I did a good job. This is what gets him motivated and gets him do the job. Me and him both listen on our headphones. But enough of that nonsense. I forgot what I was saying. But anyway, if you heat that angle up 10 to 15 degrees, you will not have an issue with that nut hitting the window. The reason is because when you're closing out, because the angle is manipulated, you'll be able to bring it down even more without having that nut so close to the window. You could keep it more flat so it's away from the window. If it's a problem for you, it's not a problem for me because I eat problems up all day long, and I just walk all over them. Matter of fact, I stomp the hell out of them. I stomp the hell out of problems. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a problem solver. If I don't like something, I got a brain. I just solve it. What are you going to do to make it better? That's what you got to do to yourself and to tools that may not agree with you. Hey, you ain't gotta put it down. You ain't gotta let the dust collect and put it in storage like I did my Mormon. I just choose to. That's collecting dust. And if you make tools that fits your needs, your personality, you'll find out that you can get along better in this window business. You know what I mean? You don't have to settle for what's out there. You know, if you have a brain and you know what you want to happen, that's all you got to do is have a little creativity. That first visualization, once you got a mental picture of what you want and how you want it to work, the rest is just gravy, my friend. You know, but this is Masters at Wagtail. Go check out the Wag Man. Travis has done this to his nut too. I don't intend on doing this to my nut because, like I said, it's not an issue. And if I did have that problem, I would heat this neck up. And that would eliminate the problem without going to look for the right nuts and all that crap. You know, everyone does their things a little different, you know. Everybody minds their tools a little different. Just like Johnny reiterated to me with my last video, he didn't appreciate me saying that I was the only one that adopted this way of cleaning. Some of you, when you watch my videos, you may take things the wrong way. It might not be the original message, and that's not what the original message was. If you've been watching my videos, you would clearly state that I told y'all that Johnny and Herman were the ones to start doing this, and I just took it to a different level, and I used it that fits my personality. I'm the only one that does my setup this way with the univalve, with this portable thing on my hip. You know, Herman did the same thing, but Herman doesn't have this setup like with the univalve, and he didn't drill through the neck of the thing. He made a loop. You know, all my stuff is fit to my personal needs. You know, so when I say that I'm the only one that's using it this way, I mean that. No one's doing it like me. And if they are, then, hey, I'm going to give you a pat on the back. I'm going to congratulate you. Welcome to the new way of cleaning, my friend. You know, all day, every day. What I share with y'all is for public use. I'm not hiding anything from y'all. So I don't have to lie, cheat, or tell or say that I'm the one that invented this idea, because I didn't. I invented what works for me in a different way. Everybody has their own style and their own flavor. So this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one.